Hey legends, this is Ryan from OptimizeFX. Welcome to another update on the FXTM Robot Challenge. In this video is going to be pretty quick. I'm just going to be going through all the robots that are still going, and at the end of the video I'm going to be having a quick chat about some new ones that I'm going to add to this. So without further ado, let's get stuck into it. Now first up we have FX Stabilizer. Now in the last video I mentioned that we changed the way FX Stabilizer is going to be trading, and this is just all for testing purposes. We already know how it goes on fixed lots from 10k. We know that it is slow, but it can be a profitable robot. But now I have changed it to auto risk, and in order to do that you need to have it set up like it is right now. So we've got mode turbo, auto risk is true, we're risking 10%, I think it's how it is. And mini lot is set to true in order to get the auto risk to work. Max slippage is 20 points. So that's how it's been going the last week. It has made $106 in the last week, and right now we're down $28 from the last Euro USD move up on Friday. That was and Friday was actually NFP. So there you go, that's how it has done so far, 1 week in. The other one is Euroscalper. Now with Euroscalper I've decided to start testing it to see if we can break it. Now we already know how it goes on 0.01 lots to start, but what we want to do now is see how it goes on a start of 0.1 lots, and that's what I've done for GU, EU and gold. And we can see here that it's made $2,108 this week in doing so. I think I started that in the last video. I'm not sure when I recorded the last video. I think it was maybe at the start of the week on Monday. But it has been going for the week. Yesterday it made $817 in the 1 day. But it is getting a bit scary right now because we've got a GU that has moved up. We are trading the M5 time frame, by the way, and if you're wanting to know the current settings, these are the current settings that I've got right now. Now you can see the lot multiplier is at 1.71, which is really high for this strategy, but I wanted to see how we go. If you're going to be doing this, you wouldn't want to do it for anything less than 10,000 in the account because of that lot multiplier. And yeah, things could get really bad really quick. Now, as you can see though, we do have a GU that's moved up. We've got to sell at 7.31 lots, which is quite big. But you know, the take profit is almost there. So if we moved in, we can see where the take profit is. It's just about to hit it. So it just means that GU is a-okay, and it might be, you know, something else that has a problem. That is causing us to only have, you know, $330 in drawdown is not really anything for a $26,000 account. But we'll see how we go, and we'll see how it does this next week. I think it's really exciting. I'm really liking how Euroscalper trades, and I'd really want to see basically how it goes over the next week, and I'll keep you up to date as we go through. Next one is FXScalper X. I'm going to be stopping this one and changing it with one of the new robots. It probably would be Golden Elephant, or what was the other one? My computer's turned off. The other one was Milestone. I only have a demo of it, but we'll see how it goes. And I'm thinking of also one more. Get back to that. So yeah, FXScalper X is going to be turned off. Robotron will be turned off, even though I have changed it a little bit. But you know, we can see here for the week it made $26, and it made that yesterday, which was a $23 day. So we'll see how it goes. Vision Scalper. I think what would be good to see though, I might change the settings. What we might do is we're only using 3 currency pairs, so let's double that. So we'll let it use 6, and when it hits 6 add-on orders, we don't want to clear, we just want to wait. So we'll change that. That is all we want to do. We do want to use auto lot. We do want trailing. We're going to start at 0.01, but it doesn't matter because it's auto lot. Martingale multiplier is a bit scary. It's at 2. Step multiplier is at 2.5. It's probably a bit too high. But it's interesting how the auto lot setting doesn't give you like a risk in percentage. We'll see. But anyway, we've changed that. We'll see how it goes. Now Euroscalper has made, let's have a look. It does a little bit each day. So if we go back to like the last week, which was, well, that's the 9th today, so go back 7 days. Okay, so it made $29 in the week. Nothing crazy, but the drawdown is very, very small. It's down it's only $22 at the moment. Disregard this max DD. Well, you probably, no, that would be right. It's $35 USD would be the max DD that it is. Don't worry about the profits. That is wrong because it's picking up the last $1,000. So it's actually made $516 because this is not a fresh account. Next we have PGM Master. Now I wasn't sure about this one, but what I did was added Euro USD and gold into the mix. And so far for the week we've made $252, and I'm not sure what the max drawdown has been though. So we're down currently $151, and we've got 2 trades open with gold. We'll see what happens there. But yeah, 252 is not too bad, but the only thing I'm not liking about PGM Master is the size of the trades. So we'll see how it does in the next week. Right, Ranger is another one that I'll stop. I think it's proven itself to be a very good robot. It's currently down $103. However, we can probably get rid of that because we're not doing FX Blue. Now, we know that it trades really, really well, but it hasn't done too well this week. It's done $17.54, which is pretty bad, and it is currently down 103 on AUD CAD. Also got another robot that is quite down on AUD CAD right now, so I'm feeling it. Next is Euroscalper 5.5. The max DD has been $37.72 since I refreshed it last week. It has made $602, I believe, or $601 since it started. So I started it on the 18th of the 10th last year, and let's see how we go though. Let's change some things up. Right, so we are using turbo mode. Multiplier is at 2. We are doing very slow recommended for the entry. When it hits 6 add-on orders, we wait, and we're only using 3 currency pairs. So let's change that to 6, like we did with Euroscalper version 6. And we are allowing trades on all the currency pairs that it has listed there. And yeah, we'll see how it goes over the next week. Currently down $17. And let's have a look what it did for the past week. Alright. So it's done $43. So it's, you know, a bit over $10 more than what version 6 did. But all in all, they've all been profitable. And yeah, do I recommend all of these robots? Right now, well, they've all shown that they've all made money. The best being Euroscalper, but it has, you know, it's got a lot more balance to play with, and we are doing really risky settings right now. You know, 0.1 lots is quite a lot to be letting a robot trade with. So that rounds up this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button if you've liked this video. If you want to get in touch with me, head over to Telegram or Discord, or you can flick me an email at optimizeeffects@gmail.com. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.